Hello, friends. Meet our planet Earth, a happy home in space, full of life. Earth wears a special rainbow blanket called the atmosphere. It keeps us safe. Earth tilts to give us seasons. Flowers bloom in spring, sun shines in summer. Climate is like Earth's mood weather. That's her daily outfit, rain or shine. Forest deserts, oceans iced. Earth has many homes for animals. Let's explore. Rainforests are Earth's lungs. Monkeys, rivers, and millions of green friends live here. Deserts are hot and dry, but cacti and camels love this sunny adventure. For polar regions are icy kingdoms for polar bears and penguins. Stay cozy. Oceans are magical underwater. World's turtles, fish, and corals. Say hello. Oh, pollution hurts Earth. Smoke makes trees sad. Let's fix this. Earth is getting warmer, ice melts, oceans rise. Need to help. We can save Earth, plant trees, use clean energy, and keep rivers clean. Sun and wind are superheroes. They give us light and energy for free. Earth loves clean energy, wind turbines, solar panels, and happy forests. Earth is a superhero too. With our help, she defeat pollution, recycle, bike, and plant. Small steps make big changes for Earth. Global warming is like Earth catching a fever. Let's cool her down. Good night, Earth. Dream of green forests, clean air, and happy kids. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks.